Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best coleslaw recipe. First, let's prepare our vegetables. You'll want about 8 cups of finely shredded cabbage, a mix of green and red for visual appeal and varied texture, plus 1 cup of shredded carrots. After shredding, lightly salt these vegetables and let them rest for about 15 minutes. This crucial step draws out excess water, preventing a watery coleslaw. Remember to rinse and thoroughly dry them afterwards. Now for the heart of our coleslaw, the dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This provides a lovely tang. Next, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle kick. Finish with 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk until perfectly smooth and creamy. With our vegetables prepped and dressing ready, it's time to combine them. In a large bowl, gently fold the creamy dressing into your dried cabbage and carrot mixture. Take your time to ensure every single shred is beautifully coated. This even distribution is key to consistent flavor. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 30 minutes, or, ideally, for a couple of hours. This chilling period allows the flavors to truly meld together. Your perfect coleslaw is now ready to enjoy. This refreshing side dish is absolutely ideal for any barbecue, picnic, or as a complement to hearty meals like pulled pork sandwiches or grilled chicken. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a dash of paprika. For the best taste and texture, consume your homemade coleslaw within 2 to 3 days. It's truly the only way to make it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.